Yeah, you're gonna spot, aren't you? Yeah, whoosh. Now head on the right, thumb on your right. Go, concerto over here, D next. That's it. Good. Go, and whoosh. More ears back. Now from the right, on your right. Go, and you're on the left, left. Okay, go. One and long, whoosh, more reaching. Yeah, whoosh. Go from the right, on the right, from the left. Better, good, okay, good. Yeah, Catherine, your head is in the wrong place because right away when you turn, you're doing this. See, you're trying to chasse like this. As long as you're moving that way, your head has to be on this shoulder. Yeah? And also, it is spot. Spot. Right, it's very sharp. It's very sharp because when you're jumping, it's bing, that's it, right? Jump. Jump. Yeah, go, it explodes. But you see, you're forward again. You have to reach over here and shot, and the toe, when you go into the air, you're still back here. You're still back here. Because see what happens that when you go like this, that's why you can't land in arabesque. Do you understand when we do the grand jeté entrelacé? Everybody always wants to go forward. That's why you can't land in arabesque. You have to stay back, yeah. Back and out there, right? Did you do this way? You did this way? Yeah, you know? Okay, all right. Yes.